Sempre na função, na contenção, cuspindo fogo igual Charizard, fazendo papo de...
大こんにちは、キャベツランごき地球ディズニークエテ
Sarah Mulgens.
Yep, a good lad of mine. And check out what I got in the mail today. It is the Mini Jupiter Kinetic Sculpture Series, also known as the Mini Jupiter Perpetual Motion, which everybody knows. It is about 8.5 inches tall, and the big Jupiter is about 1 foot long. So, without further ado, let's unbox this boy. Do you happen to own one of these?
I've owned one, but it's a 12-inch version of Kinetic Jupiter.
With a red ball?
Yep.
Okay. Just trying to... I'm gonna go get scissors really quick. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that.
Alright.
And this is what the Jupiter, Mini Jupiter looks like. Is without the base. Now, to unbox the base. This is the base. Now to put the bases on. And this Kinetic requires a 9-volt battery. If I can get the thing out. Would you want to own a Mini Jupiter?
Yeah, I would say so.
Because that's what everybody has right now.
Yeah. I think it's the Mini Jupiter a lot of people have.
Yeah. Alright, now I have the battery plugged in. Now for the motion shot. Magnificent.
Yeah.
Since this Kinetic was a little bit small, this will be going right next to my computer. I really like the colors on this Jupiter. Blue, pink, and cyan. Well, that's the unboxing for the Jupiter Perpetual Motion. Please leave a like, and if you want to subscribe, I will put Sarah Mulgens' YouTube channel in the description below, and you can go subscribe to him. Peace.